Hey, welcome back to the channel, D&D Sports Fans, and today we got a product unboxing. What I have here in front of me is the MST, which stands for Max Speed Technology, CFX-W, Ready to Run JP1. So this is the Jeep look-alike style body. Shows you here on the side of the box, it does come in red, black, blue, or silver, and the little orange sticker there, this is the black one. The back side of the box shows you has oil-filled shocks, has a CVD shaft, which is a steel drive shaft, waterproof receiver box. It's got a hobby wing, XB60 ESC, and a 550 can motor. Has a MST transceiver, I guess actually is what they're calling it. And it has a Savox servo, and that is the SC0252MG servo. Down here it just also shows you a pretty nice degree of angle there for climbing, ground clearance. To the center of the truck is 80 millimeters. To the center of the pumpkin is 55 millimeters. And this side of the box shows you the PLANETARY gearbox and dual slipper clutch system. It does have all metal transmission gear set. It also has aluminum links, suspension links, complete ball bearings, so there's no bushings in this set at all. Shows the 1.9. They're not a licensed tire, but they call them a realistic scale tire. And it does have a steel C-channel frame. And over here shows the portal axles and a front engine mount. So we'll see all that when we take it out of the box. With it out of the box, the first thing we're going to look at is the body, and you'll notice it does come with some parts that you can put on. So there's the snorkel kit that's not on, the mirrors, the side mirrors, the wipers, the taillight buckets. So the headlights have the grill and a spot where some LEDs are going to be able to fit in, but the taillights are not like that, but they do give you the taillight buckets to install, along with some lenses and things like that you'll need to install that. So it's nearly complete. But in all, this is a very sharp looking body. Pretty good replica of the Jeep. However, it does not have any of the Jeep logos on it. But I did notice a real Jeep has the trail rated logo right there, and so does this one. Okay. That's on just one side. The other side has something there. I'm not sure what that is. But there's a detailed instruction sheet on how to put all the accessory parts on the truck. Very simple, easy directions to follow. Also included with that instruction sheet were 2 sheets of stickers, which will help with customizing your vehicle. You can see that they have the radiator in there. They got some other off-road stickers. They even got the stickers for the mirrors on the side there. Okay. And then this is more of just the MST sticker sheet. Let's look at the chassis. So we'll start right here with the wheels. They have a soft compound wheel. Now they are not a licensed wheel. They actually have Max Speed Technology, so they are their own brand of wheels. Underneath you can see all the aluminum links that come with it. There's your front mount motor. Not sure what this sticker is for, but that will definitely get peeled off. The shock positionings Looks like there might be 3 different mounting holes for it. However, they're not that far apart, so I don't know if that's really going to make that much of a difference. Not a whole lot of travel until it kind of bottoms out there in the front. That's all you got in the front. So you're definitely probably going to want to put some spacers in there to tighten that up a little bit, which I do believe they are included. We'll look at that parts bag. So we're going to have a center mount battery compartment. So it just kind of goes underneath these zip ties here. Got your Esc receiver box. As you can see, mine is very loose. I don't know if it just needs tightened down. Looks like there's only 2 screws underneath there that hold that. I guess you guys aren't going to be able to see it. That hold that receiver box down. And mine is very loose. The rock rails, just plastic. They look like they are adjustable though. A couple screws on the bottom, they can slide in and out. Got your center mount transmission. Plastic drive shafts. But all in all, I think for a price point of a couple $100, I think this looks like a pretty good setup. In the front of the rig there, you'll see the portal axles and the Savox servo underneath there. Does have a plastic servo arm. The bumper's got some plastic tow hooks on it. There is no rear bumper on the truck. Here's a look at the parts kit, the tiny little tool kit that comes with it. Looks like you got some extra drive shafts. You also have the shock stiffeners, the little plastic pieces you put in there to stiffen up the shocks a little bit. Some extra body mounts, maybe to switch out the bodies. Okay. And then just your basic 2.4 gigahertz radio. Does have a little rubber around the steering wheel. I thought when I first pulled it out it looked like it was all plastic, but it is rubber. Basic controller. Well, after about an hour, I have the mirrors, the wipers, the rear tail light buckets, and the snorkel installed. And I'm going to tell you, your best friend during this install is going to be your body reamer. Take your time, make small little holes so everything fits nice and snug. You don't want to make the holes too big because then it's just going to be sloppy. Your screws are going to end up pulling through. Okay, ended up with a lot of extra parts and pieces over here yet. But all in all, I think the Jeep looks a little pretty good sitting there. I think we need to add some more stickers, some more decals, some more something. I think maybe it needs a D&D sports sticker in the back window. But we'll add those and we'll hit the trail and see how it performs. Alright guys, to wrap up this video, look at there. Got a scale D&D sports sticker on the back. And we are going to be running an A1 5000 milliamp battery LiPo pack for this truck. So we're going to charge that up. We're going to do a quick review on that also. We picked that up off of Amazon. It was relatively cheap. I don't know the price right offhand, but when I do the review on the battery, I will have that price in the review. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this. This was just a quick overview of the MST JP1. Hopefully I can get a run video put together here real shortly and get that uploaded also. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, click that subscribe button, get notified, turn that little bell on for any time we release new videos. After I got the battery charged up, I had to readjust the slipper clutch because as you can see, it just wasn't going anywhere. Big shout out to Ben over at Buy It, Break It, Fix It. He helped me figure out how to get into that thing.